2009 GMC Sierra 1500 5.3 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. Then a third converter there. Then we ran a FLOWMASTER FX right there. If you want it, the link is in the description if you want to purchase it. It's a black double wall tip right there. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 V8 5.3 liter. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then a third converter there that everybody hates. Then we did a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK, and you can see the link in the description if you want to get one. Then it's wired out into duals with mandrel pen pipes right there, right there, right there, into 4-inch tips out the back. Black roll tips right there and right there. If you guys want the tips, you can see the link in the description also for the muffler or the tips. That's what it looks like. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Decibels on it's about 94, 95. Go ahead. About 98.4 actually. Not too bad. All right, go on, back it up. About 98 sound decibels. Sound decibels about 102, 103. And at idle is about 75. Not too bad. That looks good with that. The color of the truck, those black tips look really good.
Yeah, I was telling them I just got one more part on the mustache to de-chrome.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna work on that too when I get the truck's dirty.
Welcome to Tennessee, the rain. Let you guys hear on the inside. You're welcome, buddy. Bye. This guy muffler.